Hello friends, welcome to our WP Expert channel and thanks for joining me here to learn the WordPress and to know the get the some important video on WordPress. So in this video I am going to explain the functionality of our contact form 7 spam killer plugins. Okay, so basically we have created this plugins to stop the contact form 7 spam. We have received the some complaint from our clients and some WordPress user also complained regarding to spam email spam issue with contact form 7. So on their feedback on their my WordPress user request, I have created this plugin especially to spam the to stop the spam from your contact form 7, because you know contact form 7 is the most popular plugins to add the contact form on your website. So if the main problem with this plugin is email spam issue, so let me describe the functionality of our plugin, how you can stop your email issue spam issue with contact form 7 using our form 7 killer spam killer plugin. Okay, so as you can see I have already installed my contact form 7 and this is the short code. Okay, and I have also installed my contact form 7 plugin here. You can see the details here. We have recently launched this plugin especially for contact form 7 to stop the spam from contact form 7. Okay, so let me describe the setting. Here you can see the settings. We have given the option to enable math captcha. So to start the work with content plugins with using our plugins, you must have need to check this box. Okay, so when we will enable the math captcha, you are now able to add the captcha on your contact form 7 plugins. Okay, so to add the captcha on your contact form 7, just need to copy the short code. Okay, and you need to paste it in your website, as I have already pasted. So you can also paste it in your contact form 7. Okay, if you are going to create multiple contact form, in that case you can use the same captcha short code. Okay, so as on this page I have added the short code, so let me check the preview. Here you can see the captcha is coming, my math captcha is coming. Okay, so this captcha especially very effective to stop the machine spam and human spam as well, because after submit the contact form query, it will be automatically generated a new captcha question. Okay, so spam human spam or machine spam will not able to send the multiple contact form at a time. Okay, so let me show you how it will work. Test at the rate gmail.com, as my I have set up this on my local system. Okay, so mail will not deliver on my email id, but I'm going to just test. Okay, so here I'm going trying to enter the text. Okay, so we have added the validation on this field, so you will able to add the number only. Okay, so let me try to give a wrong answer here, 20. Okay, so let's see wrong answer. Okay, and the value of captcha value is also change. Okay, so let me try to give wrong answer again. So it's showing wrong answer. Let me try to give a right answer. Okay, so yes, you can see that my form is successfully submitted to admin. Okay, as I am using this on my local system, that's why mail is not going to any admin. Okay, so that's why it's showing the error. Okay, so basically the my form has been successfully submitted. Okay, so you see the my captcha is very strong to stop the spam from your contact form 7, because it will create the random number and it will ask you to perform the random action as well, like multiplication, addition, subtraction or division as well. Okay, so your spam user or machine spam will not able to track what will be the next answer. So it's very effective to stop the contact form 7. Okay, so here I have given a one more important feature in this plugins, that is hidden captcha. Hidden captcha, also called as honey spot captcha, honeypot captcha. Okay, so this is hidden captcha will very effective for to stop the machine spam. Okay, so let me show you how our hidden captcha will be work. Okay, so in case of machine spam, the spammer filled all the fields by a machine and they submit the form in within second or within few seconds regularly. Okay, so in that case the hidden captcha will be very beneficial for you to stop your machine spam. Okay, so in case of machine spam, the machine spam will also insert the value for our hidden captcha, like I am here going to insert manually like test. Okay, and now I am trying to submit the form. Okay, so captcha is required and here I am going to value, even I am going to give a right value, correct value here. Okay, so I have inserted the our hidden captcha value manually here, and now here I am giving the right answer. So let me show. You can see the spam color activated, means the machine spam will not able to escape except this security patches. Okay, so this captcha will especially we have added the in contact form 7 to stop the machine spam. This is very effective because during the spam send the data by a spammer, they will always fill insert the value of all fields. Okay, so in that case the spam killer will be activated, even they will keep the right answer for our captcha. In that case the spam killer hidden captcha will not able to submit your form. Okay, so it will totally very useful to to stop your spam killer. Okay, so you can say our plugin is the spam killer of the contact form 7. So guys, I hope this video will be beneficial for you, and I have explained the functionality of our plugins, how it work with you, for you, and how it's working right now. Okay, so guys, take care. I will back again with new video and with new channel. So